To make ice cream, this we are going to need 400 grams of heavy cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla extract. Don't forget caramel. We're going to take our jug and pour in our 400 grams of zane, heavy cream, and we're going to beat it until we get twice the size, as you can see above, and it will become a little bit heavier, but don't overbeat it because we don't want to make butter. We're going to add our 165 grams of sweetened condensed milk and mix it. If you have a spatula, don't forget, you can also mix it. Mine broke. And we're going to add 2 drops of vanilla extract. You can use any extract you want, and beat it for 1 minute. But if not well mixed, then you can beat it for a little bit longer. You can take your clean container where you're going to place your ingredients, already mixed ingredients, cover it. Before covering it, let's not forget our caramel, the most important part. And guys, I will show you how to make this caramel just in a few. The cheapest caramel you can ever make. Just make sure to watch my next video. Just use a toothpick to at least spread them out. Just use the toothpick to spread them out nicely and cover it nicely. After covering it up nicely, place it approximately 4 hours in the freezer. And when done, scoop and serve as you wish. This is a really simple recipe. The steps are really simple and you only need few ingredients. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so that when I upload another video, you'll get a notification. And also, I'd like to thank you for the time you took to watch this video till the end. Stay safe and stay blessed.